Hey, what's up? This is Dave from Dave's Plumbing, and I'm headed downtown, back on 79 past Permane Brothers, and I'm headed to a customer's house to fix a plumbing problem. We'll head to the job site and get it checked.
So I'm waiting on someone to come fix my water. Let's see how long it takes for them to get here. And they're here.
Hey, what's up? I'm the maintenance guy. I'm here to fix the hot water pipes.
Yeah, I've been waiting on you. Come on. So, do you know what you're doing?
Yeah. Alright, yeah, so, I found out what's wrong. You see this thing?
Mm-hmm.
You see how there's like rust on it?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to get that changed out.
Oh, so you came to fix my water pipes and you're gonna fix my furnace? Water is fucked up because there's an alien species coming out of my
No,
dryer.
your water's fucked up because of this right here.
I don't like the language you're using with me, sir, so I'm gonna need
See
you.
this shit? They pay me $10 an hour to go through fucking crawl spaces like this. What the fuck? You want me to fucking army crawl through this shit? Like, and I'm supposed to change your pipe under there?
Yeah.
And you know how much that's gonna cost you?
Well, me and your boss